can't get it away there from Malone. Back of the net, Sullivan unable to come up with it. Now Raymond and Riley battle along with Ranger in there, and the puck comes free, and it is Riley getting it ahead for Kuhlman. Kuhlman, a nice pass, and springs Raymond in on goal. He's in on goal. He scores! Mason Raymond set in on a beautiful feed, and he makes it 1-0. And the Dads are enjoying that.
Well, I got to tell you, a couple of real nice plays here. First of all, Kuhlman with the pass, and it is a spectacular pass to Raymond. Good puck battle by Ranger. Chips the puck and takes off Raymond. He's all the way in his own end, Raymond. And there's this pass. Oh, take the tape. And then Raymond, look at how he gets it up on Bishop. I mean, straight up on the backhand. Here's this pass one more time. And right up top. And a beautiful goal. And there's Dad, pretty happy about that one.
And so is Cochrane, Alberta.
Morgan Riley and Kuhlman will draw the assists. And the Maple Leafs have a 1-0 lead on Mason Raymond's 15th goal of the season. As a shot is caught by Ben Bishop and held for a face-off. And let's watch his dad as he scores this goal.
Yeah.
Bingo! Yeah, baby!
They're having fun. It's been great.
They've had an enormous amount of fun traveling around and acting the big shots. I mean, they've been having a great time. They're all out fishing yesterday.
Apparently there's a lot of heat going on at the moment at the Mums, you know. Wouldn't mind participating in this trip at some point.
I've been a part of that lobby group.
I'm sure you have, Paul.
Terry Raymond had a lot of fun on that goal as his son makes it a 1-0